Okay, Autosparx today we've got another Ford Transit. This one's a minibus. This one's actually been stolen twice, and thanks to the tracking system that we installed, it's been recovered twice. Sadly, both times with a little bit of damage, which has obviously cost some money. So this time the customers decided to add an aftermarket immobiliser. So we've installed a Thatcham Category 2 Cobra system. So you get your two electronic touch keys here. Now, on the dashboard of the vehicle, little red flashing light, just to warn people there's some extra security on it, and that's the receptacle to push that socket into. Now, if we try and start the vehicle, key in the ignition to the on position, nothing on the dashboard. Foot on the brake, foot on the clutch, and try to crank, still nothing on the dashboard. Okay, that's because it's immobilised. So what we need to do is introduce a touch key here into the socket. Little light goes out, and we get 20 seconds to try again. This time, starts as normal. Perfect. When you leave the vehicle, switch ignition off. Take the key with you. There's no need to rearm the system. Being a Thatcham Category 2 compliant system, it automatically rearms itself 30 seconds or so after the vehicle's ignition is switched off, so it's always immobilised. So this is on top of the Ford existing security, which is easily bypassed. This gives a little bit of added protection against unwanted vehicle movement. Just two little touch keys coded specifically to this unit on this vehicle. We do a range of Thatcham Category 2 immobilisers. We use a lot of the Viper 106V and this one as well, the Cobra 8510. Both good solutions. Give us a call to find out more. 0330 010 0506. You never know who's watching yours.